U is ingeskakel by RSG Landbou. Goeiemôre. My naam is Sarah. Ons gesels weer.
Geen kampos en kampbro, as het weer in die klein Karoo, my hand ontbind my opdrakkend vanaand.
A shame, I should've known, I should've thought, I could've thought before I cast that stone. The waves radiate far and wide, there's a ringing in my ears. For a minute, I think I'm going blind. Tears I shed, a shame, I should've known. The crown weighs heavy, heavy as I sit back in my throne. I say, hey, it wasn't me, I'm just a pawn. But the devil's identity tears, well, all the heroes gone. Hey, I don't know, why don't you tell me? Hey, I don't know, why don't you tell me? The dream is broken, now the mind must be walking. So what are you waiting for? Tell me, what's the hesitation? What are you waiting for? Tell me, what is the delay? Hey, I don't know, why don't you tell me? Hey, I don't know, why don't you tell me? Hey, I don't know, why don't you tell me? Hey, I don't know, why don't you tell me? The victor earns the title, the great. All the mysteries get unlearned, all the history just becomes a string of dates. The hordes overrun in a clean sweep, destroying everything that was built